everybody. So winter has arrived. My goodness. Did you just cough? Did you just cough in my lesson? Get up now. Get up. You, my goodness. You might have, oh my goodness, bacteria diseases, coughs and sneezes cause diseases, everybody. Get up now. I need to tell you a lesson. Get here. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, you're trying to attack me. I won't be having any of that. Did you just cough? You've just coughed. You might need to go see the nurse. You might have to go home. Okay, you just coughed into the air, into the environment. Not even, okay, go coughing into your elbow or into your hands. Oh my goodness, and then going washing them. You didn't even do that. Okay, coughs and sneezes cause diseases. And it's incredible.